The next level is here. Samsung is actually doing what Apple is about to do with the iPhone 15 Pro series, and I am excited. In order to make the most premium Galaxy flagship ever, Samsung has to implement this change. You may have guessed it right, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is set to bring a titanium material for its side frame. According to S24, Samsung is working on armored titanium frame for the Galaxy S24 Ultra specifically, which will make the device lighter, more durable, and of course, more premium. We know that Apple is 100% implemented titanium frame on the 15 Pro and the Pro Max. It's actually one of the big reasons why the 15 Pro series are more expensive than last year's model. Judging from this, the S24 Ultra with titanium could actually be more pricey compared to the S23 Ultra. Now finally, Samsung is bringing their Ultra exclusive feature for the Galaxy S24 and the S24 Plus. I'm talking about the LTPO screen, which is now coming to the S24 and the S24 Plus model. Thanks to LTPO screen, there's going to be a massive battery improvements for these non-Ultra Galaxy S24 models. The refresh rate can now drop to 1 Hz, which is definitely going to boost the overall battery experience. Now, what about that next level that I mentioned in the beginning of the video? The reason why I said is because Samsung is indeed bringing a huge upgrade to the zoom performance of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Yes, as revealed by S24, this is going to be Samsung's biggest zoom improvements from 3x all the way to 10x ever since they first implemented this on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Considering how good the zoom performance is on the S23 Ultra, just imagine what level Samsung is going to unveil with the Galaxy S24 Ultra zoom performance. We don't know how Samsung is doing it, whether there is a continuous zoom being implemented that can go from 3x to 10x, or whether it's a 3 to 5x continuous zoom that is being further assisted by a hybrid optical 10x lens. We really don't know the exact secrets here, but soon time will reveal everything. So that's all the latest news. Samsung is bringing their next premium upgrade exclusive to the S24 Ultra, which is set to be the titanium frame, or as Samsung likes to call it, armored titanium frame. I'm really excited to see all these changes. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. In case you missed the previous video, which revealed a bombshell news regarding the Exynos chip for the S24 series, be sure to check that out. The link is in the description. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.